Hey guys, welcome back. Since I couldn't really find anything else to vlog about today, I'm going to be talking about all this rain we've been getting. We started off the morning with one heck of a thunderstorm. It was like 4 a.m. Those cracks of thunder were the loudest I've ever heard in my life. It like shook the house. And our poor rescue dog, Red, he was freaking out, whining at my door, climbing into my bed, trying to hide under the covers, bless his heart. So, yeah, he doesn't really like thunder. But we've been getting a thin but fairly consistent rain all morning. It's about, I would say 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning. And I decided, since it's so soggy out here, why not just go for a walk in the rain and show you how everything looks when it's absolutely soggy. I'm hoping with all this there's finally some water in the creek. We'll see. Nope, it's muddy, but there's no water flowing. Darn it. I was really hoping there would be something in there besides mud. Well, drat. Oh well. Even if there isn't any water in the creek, at least it's a nice pleasant walk along the path. Because when it rains, there's nobody around. That and it's late morning on a weekday, so that helps. Rain's picked up some. There are a couple of very handsome bucks back there. Right there they are. There. Hey fellas. Hey there. Don't worry. It's just a camera. It doesn't shoot bullets. It shoots on a SD card. Hey there, guys. Big, handsome boys. Ah, so nice. Okay. Well, the drizzles are starting to let up for now. I think I'm gonna want lunch pretty soon. I guess that's about all I can show you for a walk in the rain. I'll start heading back now. Doe and her fawn. Hi, sweetie. Oh, that's all right. I'm not gonna hurt you, sweetheart. And there she goes. Baby gonna go after her? Go get your mama, honey. There's two does eating the low-hanging branches of that tree over there. Watch this. Ever seen a deer on tiptoe? Well, since we've gone for a quiet walk and a light drizzle, seen some fall colors and some wildlife, I guess there's only one thing left to do on a rainy day vlog. Well, I'm probably going to regret that jump in the water later. My cuffs are pretty well soggy. Okay, guys, so, really? Good to find anything else to vlog about after walking in the rain. So, and I couldn't think of anything to write in fan fiction and I'm gonna draw tomorrow. And I don't want to go anywhere else because my left knee is killing me. I've got arthritis in my knees. And I haven't taken anything for it yet because I need to eat something, and I'm going to have an early dinner, which is cooking right now. And in the meantime, I'm watching Rogue One on Blu-ray. Yeah, this is one of the movies I like. I'm to the point now where I can watch almost any of the Star Wars movies just, oh, I feel like this one today. Okay, I'll watch this one today. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. And want to see more G-rated content, go ahead and click that little subscription button down below. Question of the day. What season is your absolute favorite and why? My personal favorite season is autumn because of all the colors and the amazing smells and the great tastes from the different dishes and snacks. So, until next time, this is the Clumsy Jedi signing off. Yes, I'm very tired, and I'm cold. The house is about 62 degrees right now. That's not freezing, but it's chilly when you're only wearing one layer, and the heater has not been, the pilot light for the heater has not been lit yet. My dad is probably going to wait until it drops down to the 30s at night. At this point, it's still in the 40s. So, yeah, I'm a little chilly. See you guys later.
Besides, nobody likes a clumsy Jedi.
Clumsy?